Hello students, welcome you all to the video lecture on chapter number 7, comparing quantities, exercise 7.2, question number 2. The question is, the price of a TV is rupees 13,000. The sales tax charged on it is at the rate of 12%. Find the amount that Vinod will have to pay if he buys it. So for example, if any of the shop, if you are going and if you are purchasing some item, right, they will put some tax. So we have to pay the amount of that particular item as well as tax. So the addition of both only the final bill amount that we have to pay. Okay. So here the price of the item, price of the TV, right, here the item is nothing but TV. TV is given by rupees 13,000. Okay. So instead of giving tax amount, they have given tax percentage. Okay, 12% they have given. So using this, we can easily find out the tax amount. So tax amount is given by tax percentage into that particular price of the TV. Okay. So what is the tax percentage? It is 12%. So 12 by 100 into what is the price of the TV? It is 13,000. So 0, 0 get cancelled. So just multiply. So 12 into 13. 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 2 1s are 2, 1 1s are 1. So 156. 156 and additionally you have one 0 here. So put that 0. So tax amount is given by rupees 1,560. Okay. So the total bill amount which they have to pay. Okay, total bill amount, as I said before, it is the sum of price of the TV plus tax amount. So what is the price of the TV? It is 13,000 plus tax amount is 1,560. So add both the answer. So 1,560. Okay, so 0, 6, 5, 4, 1. Okay. So the bill amount is rupees 14,560. Okay. So this is the overall amount which they have to pay for the TV. That is the price of the TV plus the tax amount is nothing but 14,560. Thank you. Thanks for watching.